everyone, it's Veronika. As you can tell from the title of this video, today I'm gonna be going from this blonde hair to brunette, my natural hair color. I'm a little nervous, a little excited. We're gonna see how it goes. I thought, I'm gonna follow a Mondo tutorial and it'll be fine. It'll turn out great. I literally bought every single Shades EQ color that he had in his regimen, so I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be beautiful. I'm a little nervous to be going brunette because I do really like the blonde look, but I am tired of bleaching my hair and I really want to grow it and have really long hair because my hair grows really fast and I'm tired of bleaching these roots. So follow along with me on the process. Hopefully it's a success. That's all I can really hope for. It can't be that hard. Hello.
Hi.
Alrighty, so first step is to wear clothes you don't give a shit about. Next, we're gonna be mixing and I'm gonna be following the exact measurements in that tutorial, exact same colors. I'm probably not gonna show you that process, but I'm following it to a T. I have a scale, I have everything. It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
None of this audience, you can say whatever.
Loser. I feel like, well, whatever's not hurtful.
My professional hairstyling clips.
Wow.
To not post this online. This was just fun doing it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it. I don't care anymore. Go!
Okay, there's no turning back.
Yep, it's already on my neck.
Congratulations.
And you're back.
And we're done.
And I'm just doing the back. Wow.
I look amazing right now. I
look
didn't see myself liking red. If it was this red, I know it's not gonna come out like this.
It would look so good.
Oh yeah, this red is fire. Okay, I'm fine.
You're doing a change. Change is scary.
This doesn't seem like a good idea. I would think I have a period.
Or you murdered somebody. One of the two.
Yeah, I look for the less violent option.
Yeah. Bye.
I'm out of frame. All you see is a speck of my hair.
Hi guys, I'm nervous. Anything that I see yellow, I'm kind of just throwing it
that yellow
in.
needs to go.
Oh, yeah. No, you didn't do bad, by the way, but...
Friendship.
Oh, over here, too. I'm like, wait.
This is whole section.
Wait a goddamn minute. That's not what it should be.
Oh, it's so different with dark hair.
Oh, Derek used to play the guitar.
Now, how long does it sit?
Oh, that's a great question. Oh my god, I'm becoming a brunette.
I'm so excited.
This is insane. Like, not that insane. There's definitely.
You can wear that shirt out tomorrow, by the way. That looks so good.
Okay, guys, so this is me after drying and doing the fill. I'm a little concerned because it's not as like red as it was in Mondo's video. I don't know how it's coming off on the camera, but in real life it's almost like brown, but with a brassy tint. Hopefully that works out fine. Obviously in the tutorial he put a disclaimer that everyone's hair is different, so obviously the results are going to be different. My hair is a little damaged and stuff, so that's probably why it looks different, but I'm hoping that this will suffice as semi filler and it'll be good. We move on to putting in the darker hair brown, and hopefully it doesn't fade weird, doesn't look weird, all that stuff. We'll see.
Now it's time for the aesthetic.
It's the aesthetic.
It's 10 developer. We can do this multiple times.
I mean, if all goes bad, I'll dye it black. I have gloves on, David. I'm so stupid.
Where are your gloves?
I don't know what to do.
You don't want me to do it?
I'm one person.
Oh, that's
Yellow.
That's
That's concerning. I don't remember it being yellow in the video. You have to trust the process.
It's already brown.
Maybe won't give away the answer. It's not emotional.
Okay.
I just want it to be over. For the reveal. It is quite a change, but I think that the color came out so good. I just feel like a different person. Like, I'm not used to seeing myself like this, but I'm digging it. I miss my blonde, but I'm also really happy with this color. I think I just have to get used to it, to be honest. hair color is actually a little darker than this color, but I really like the neutral chocolatey vibe. I think it's really pretty. I feel like it makes me look more mature, maybe. Who knows? Maybe that's just the hairstyle. And I'm okay with that. Thank you, Mondo, for making your tutorial and helping me not butcher my hair and make it green and grody or black. I'm very, very happy with the results. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's not the usual fitness stuff that I post, but like I said, I just want to diversify what I put out there and just, you know, post what I feel like and what I enjoy. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe for more content, like if you liked it, and have a fantastic day.